Alright guys, listening to this A/B tests with this plugin, you can say for fact that it did an amazing work. And that brings us to this question: how is this plugin free? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is coinx and you're welcome to coinxDaProducer. Today we are diving into an incredible tool that is changing the game for music producers and content creators alike. Introducing the Brainworx BX Mastering Studio, a free desktop mastering application that brings professional quality mastering to your fingertips. This plugin is developed by Brainworx Audio and offered through Plugin Alliance. BX Mastering Studio is a standalone application that doesn't require a DAW to function. It is perfect for musicians, podcasters, and YouTubers looking to enhance their audio without the steep learning curve. Alright, so let's break down what makes BX Mastering Studio stand out. First, machine-guided mastering, which means this plugin utilizes algorithms based on techniques from Grammy-winning engineers, ensuring your tracks get a professional touch. Next is 11 distinct mastering styles, from Miami Extreme to London Smooth. You can choose a style that fits your genre. Alright, the third one is customizable tone and dynamic tabs. With this feature, you can shape your sound with EQ bands, presence controls, compression, and more, as you can see here. And under the tone tab, you can see it has the bass, the mid, the treble, the presence, the frequency range, which is high pass filter, low pass filter. You can see the mono maker, and you can also see the resonance filter. Then when you switch to the dynamics, you can see what is existing there: the harmonics, the compressor, the easer, the gain, the attack, the release, and the ceiling. Now followed by the integrated limiting and mastering. With this feature, you can achieve optimal loudness levels suitable for streaming platforms. The next is batch processing. This plugin makes it a lot easier. You can master multiple tracks simultaneously, maintaining consistency across your project. All you need to do is to load up your tracks here and do your setup and process. Whatever you're doing will be applied on all the tracks that you've loaded. And the last is podcast mastering style. This feature is a tailored settings to make spoken word content sound clear and professional. Alright, enough of the theory. Let's put it to work and hear it in action. So what you need to do here is to load up your track, as you can see, and then after that you select a mastering style, which I chose the LA standard, but feel free to choose anyone. Okay, maybe let's try the LA punch. Then after you selected a mastering style, allow the application analyze and apply the optimal settings to your track. You can now then further tweak the tone and the dynamics to your own taste or liking. So let's check that out. I believe you heard what is going on. It's actually a very subtle impact this plugin is adding to the signal, which is good for mastering. And over here you can see the mono maker, which sends every low-end information into a mono signal. And once you choose any preset, pay very close attention to the information is populating right on top of each feature. As you can see, it's telling me to increase the input signal to about plus 3.6 dB. So that is after analyzing the signal, this is the suggestion is given. But I would advise, don't really focus more on that. Use your ear for the final judgment to exactly get the output you're looking for. It is a very interesting plugin, very good one, but I would say it's not going to replace a professional mixing and mastering engineer, but it is a handy tool to really enhance your audio quality. So that will be it for this plugin. Just wanted to quickly bring it out and share it with you guys, for those who don't know to get to know, and for those who need it to quickly download it and start using it in their music production session. And it is free, so what are you waiting for? The link will be in the description, and share your thoughts, your findings in the comments. Let us know what you think about it. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so that when next I put out videos like this, you will get notified. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.